How to copy your username on Discord. Hello guys, today I will show you how to copy your username on Discord. Just watch the video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like the video. So let's start. You go first and you open Discord. Then when your Discord is opening, you will go here on your profile. Then you will go here on this 3 points. Then you will click. Then as you see here, they said copy username. You will click copy username. Then now I will try if it's copy or not. So as you see here, I will click like this, paste, and as you see, it's copy. My username it's copy, and that's it. It's done guys, and it worked. I hope this video is helpful and useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you next video.